Hi guys, my name is Teppe, living in Japan. I like creating stuffs, and today I want to show you a vacuum cleaner I'm making. So let's have a look. Okay, so these are the parts for the vacuum cleaner, and one is looks like a box like this, and the other one is like drawer shape thing, and one more it looks like a corner like this, and the other one is from a Panasonic vacuum cleaner. I cut it off. It's a motor part. Okay, so let's put them together. We have this box part and this corner shape part. Firstly, we put the motor head into a corner part. Into a hole like this. Then we put it in a box. Okay, just like this. Then we have this drawer in here. Like this. Then it's almost done. It became like this. So inside looks we have a cube space here. Like this. Like this. So when I put the drawer into here, like this, it's like closed cube space inside. So now we are ready to turn it on. I give it power and switch it on. Like this. So here it's vacuuming air from here. So from this hole, air is like vacuumed. So if I put like a hose here, we can vacuum things inside. Okay, so I explain how it works. Then we have a square shape here, and that drawer I put at the end, it comes here. And the box part and corner part, it comes here as wall. Then I didn't, but I assume I put hose to the hole which intakes air, and the motor it comes on top. So when I turn it on, the motor intake air inside of the box, and it let it out here. So inside of the box, it becomes like negative pressure. So this intake the air from the hose. So if I vacuum a dust, it comes with air to inside of the hose. And here, because inside of the hose is quite narrow, so speed of the air, it is quite high. Then once it comes inside, because the space is quite wide, so speed of the air it drops. Then dust it won't go to the motor because the air is so slow, so it just drops to the bottom like this. So when the drawer it becomes full, we just pull it out and throw it away. So that's how it works. Okay, so thank you for watching, and today I introduced this strange vacuum cleaner. And actually this place here is used as like a sharing space, and usually many people come here to create stuffs, but now it's closed because of coronavirus. But when people come back, I want to introduce what they make, so I will put new movies on, so please check it out. And for the next video clip, I will show you how I install this machine and I will show you how I use it. So please check it out. And thank you for watching, and see you again. Thank you.